In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Zillow messages on desktop. Let's start with the foundation. Messages in Zillow are linked directly to your account, so the very first thing to do is make sure you're signed in on a desktop browser. Open Zillow in your preferred desktop browser and check the top right corner of the page. If you see a prompt to sign in, go ahead and do that. Once you're signed in, you're in the right place to access your messages. This is important because if you aren't signed in, the messaging options won't appear and you won't see any of your conversations. Now, after signing in, look across the top navigation bar on the Zillow desktop site. You should see an option labeled Inbox or an envelope icon that represents your messages. Click that and it will open your message center. This is where you'll find all your recent conversations. If you're using an agent or Premier Agent account, your inbox will include leads, inquiries, and messages from buyers or renters organized in one place so you can respond efficiently. If you don't see an inbox link right away, don't worry. Zillow sometimes groups messaging under your profile menu. Head to the top right corner and click your profile icon. This might show your photo or your initials. A drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, look for an option labeled Inbox, Messages, or something similar. Click it, and you'll land in the same message center. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If you manage more than one Zillow account, double-check that you're signed into the correct one, since messages won't carry over between accounts. Also, the exact wording or placement of the Inbox option can vary slightly depending on your account type or any recent design updates. But the label will usually be Inbox or Messages and will always be accessible from the top navigation or your profile menu. Once you're in your inbox, you can open a conversation, read new messages, and reply directly from your desktop. That's all there is to it. Sign in, locate the inbox at the top, or use your profile menu to find messages if it's not immediately visible. Thanks for watching. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to access your Zillow messages quickly and consistently on desktop, whether you're a home shopper, a renter, or managing a busy agent account.